Hi Power BI superheroes, welcome to the Power BI YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Power BI license types and determine which one is the best for you. There are three different license types: Power BI Free, Power BI Pro, and Power BI Premium. The free license is for users getting started with Power BI Desktop. It allows users to connect to data sources, analyze data, and create reports. It's mainly for individuals who want to build reports for personal purposes and don't need to share the content with others through a cloud service. The Pro license is a per-user license. It is used in small and medium companies where users need to create, share, and view reports of other users. Pro is included in the Office 365 E5 license package. Then when we have a look at the premium license, the premium actually has two different sections. The one is the Power BI Premium per user license, which combines advantages of the Power BI Pro license and the Power BI Premium subscription. Then the Power BI Premium is not a license but a subscription, which is not assigned to an individual user but to the entire organization. The previous explanation was somewhat technical, and you're still asking yourself, well, what can Power BI actually do for you? The Power BI free version is exactly that. It is free. Users can analyze and create reports. However, they can't share these reports or the content of it with other BI users. They can publish their reports to the My Workspace in Power BI service, but only store up to 1 gigabyte of data there. The Pro version is a standard subscription by default, which is assigned to this license, and it has advanced desktop functionalities. Users can collaborate with other Pro BI license users on reports and up to a shared capacity of 10 gigabytes per user. They can also schedule a data refresh up to 8 times a day, which is a really cool function. When you have a look at the Power BI Premium, the per user combines advantages of the Pro license and the Premium subscriptions, which gives you the advantage of larger data models, artificial intelligence, paginated reports, and many other functionalities. Users can collaborate with other users and reports, publish to share capacities up to 100 gigabytes per user. Users can also schedule data refreshes up to 48 times per day. The Power BI Premium subscription is assigned to the entire organization. This is a much bigger subscription, and it really is for larger corporate companies. The organization receives a dedicated premium capacity of up to 100 terabytes of storage and 8 vCores for optimal processing power within the subscription. Also, another 48 scheduled refreshes of a data set a day. And the nice thing is that the Power BI desktop free licenses get the possibility to view and analyze the reports published by the Pro license users. As Jerry Maguire said, show me the money. I'm sure you're all asking, what do Power BI licenses cost? Well, the Power BI Pro comes in at a mere $9.99 per user per month, whereas the Power BI Premium per user comes in at $20 per user, and the per capacity subscription at $4,995 US. I personally use the Power BI Premium per user $20 a month license fee, and one has so many features such as analytics, data visualization, live dashboards, reports, sharing your insights with the added benefits of artificial intelligence, unlocking self-service data prep, and many more features. So one can really recommend the $20 a month is a really great buy with everything that you need. Well, Power BI superheroes, that certainly has been a mouthful. But to ensure that you haven't missed anything, we've added additional links in the YouTube video description below. And we certainly hope you have enjoyed the content. Please feel free to leave comments and suggestions in the comments box on how we can improve our videos and what other content you'd like to see. Thank you very much for watching our channel. If you've enjoyed the content, please like our video below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more powerful BI videos to come. Thanks, superheroes. See you next week.